Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Facebook ad series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, you will see how to add billings or payment method into Facebook Business Manager. If you want to advertise on Facebook, you need to spend some dollar or you need to give some money to Facebook authority. That's why you need to add billings or payment methods into your business manager, So let's see how we can practically add payment method into our business manager. Okay. So for adding payment method, we just need to come to the business manager section. So hopefully you have known how to come to the business manager. In case if you don't know, then you need to write on Google business.facebook.com. Then you need to choose your business manager account. And from there, you will have an option called business settings. So for setting up billings, we'll go to the add account section. Then you will have an option called open ad manager, and if you click on this menu, then you have an option called view payment method. Okay, so this is one of the ways for navigating to the billing section. So we can also click on these three dot menu or all tools. Okay, then we'll have an option called billing. So you can either click on this or you can go to the ad manager and go to the billing. So it's up to you which ways you want to prefer. Okay, so I'm gonna click on payment settings. Okay, then I will click on add payment method. Then you need to give your select your debit or credit card, or if you have PayPal, then you can choose PayPal. So I'm gonna go with the first option. Then I will click on next. Then you need to provide your card details like name of the card number, month, year, CVV code. Okay. So for example, I am giving a dummy information. So you will provide your valid debit or credit card or MasterCard information. This is a dummy card number. Then month, I'm gonna put 24. Sorry, I should write this way, 424. Okay. And CVV code. Okay. So this is showing me error because this is a random card number. Okay. Dummy card number. You will provide your card number, then you will not show any error. Okay. Then if everything is okay, you just need to click on save. Okay. Then you are good to go. So yeah, that is how we can add billings or payment method into your Facebook Business Manager. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.